Today I'm going to be showing you the first Lolita blouse that I ever made. I needed a blouse to go with it, but I didn't have any. I was very new to Lolita, and this was my first brand skirt, so I needed like a nice white blouse. So I went to Joann's and got some fabric, and this is what I made. I actually used a pattern that was in I think it was a KERA magazine that my friend had, and I just kind of went all out with it. I did some embroidery right here, little stars with some gold. I did some stars right here on the back. This is, I think the pattern was an Innocent World. That's what it was, an Innocent World blouse. And I used some gold here. The only thing about this that turned out kind of weird was the collar was kind of big. I mean, this is the pattern for the collar. I didn't alter it in any way, but to me it was just kind of big. So that was something about it that was kind of concerning. But I went ahead and I used this also as well. I got this from Joann's. I added a lot of pin tucks, and I used the same star buttons. And then on the back here, I did some of that just in case, just so it was nice and fitted. Because you know how it is. You know how it is when you get like a cute skirt, and then you want to wear a blouse with it, and then the blouse, like, you gotta tuck it in and it looks all baggy and weird or something. Yeah, this is my first blouse. Now, sadly, I realized as I was filming this video that this actually, I guess the last time I washed it, it ripped. And I think it's because of the type of fabric it is. It's this insanely soft, like, I don't know what it is, like a polycrepe de Chine or something. It's very like flowy. I don't know what I'm gonna do because it ripped like all, like, basically this is like you can see like where it's finished here. It just, I don't know what happened. It just ripped. I don't know. It makes me really sad. I'm probably gonna have to just find more of this fabric and maybe just redo this one panel and see if I can salvage it. But yeah, that is something to watch out for when you use synthetic fabrics, is that they fray a lot. You can protect yourself a little bit by using fray check, but the best bet is to get a serger. Make sure you serge everything. Like, I made sure I serged the inside of this. But the only part I didn't serge was this, because this was sandwiched. So next time I know that I'm going to serge that as well. But yeah, your best bet is to make sure you use fray check or you serge it. And aside from the fact that now, after 4.5 years ago, I would say it held up pretty good considering, especially because I'm pretty sure that it only ripped because it went through the wash. And typically my rule of thumb is I hand wash things, so that was, you know, my own bad right there. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys my first Lolita blouse I made. So still love the shape of it, still love it in general. Sad that it ripped, but there you go, you live and you learn. Thank you guys, and I would love to see your Lolita blouse creations, or I would love to hear your horror stories about the blouses that you've made. And just tell me about them in the comments, or you can link me to your vlog or your blog or your video about it. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.